So today we are showcasing JiffyRPA, which is powered by Option 3. So JiffyRPA is an RPA platform whereby it's useful in any of the processes that are manual in nature and monotonous. And also it is the cognitive places where historical data needs to be performed. Processes have, such processes need to be automated in this space. So how it is useful in the manufacturing unit is basically if they have large volumes of data to be processed, like say invoices or any of the documents that need to be processed, etc. So RPA is definitely a good solution, and Jiffy RPA has all the inbuilt nodes, functionalities, features, which is just simple drag and drop features available, and hence it will be definitely useful for manufacturing units, and we also have implemented it in other areas as well. Definitely the experience was really good, and I see that large number of delegates had come who are basically almost the decision makers, and they understand what process they really need to automate, so which is a very good experience we had, and they are very sure about what process they really want to automate. They know what are the pain areas, and they are also very keen to understand what are the specifics that RPA as a solution can actually provide to them. Yeah, the speed networking session was really nice because we were able to interact with pretty much all the delegates, in the rounds that we met with them. So that was definitely good. The individual meetings also was well organized, and we were given enough advance, information about who would be talking to us, and even we were given a choice of who were the specifics whom we would want to meet on a one-on-one basis. So that was definitely good. And going forward, we would like to meet more and more such, decision makers from the business units as well. Nothing specific, but what it would be ideal scenario is, as and when they go through the RPA journey as such, it would be ideal for them to identify specific use cases and, come up with exactly how they want to look at it, and that would be more specific towards their business units which are functioning within the manufacturing divisions. So that would definitely be something that we would like to see in future. A very well organized event. That's definitely something that I would like to say about today's event here.